Reading, writing, spelling. It's about oral language and building the brain for literacy. And so are we. We are Learning by Design, and our spell links to reading and writing products equip you with the tools you need. The tools you need to help your students become effective writers and fluent readers with strong comprehension and rich vocabularies. Learning to read and write is not easy for most kids. So why teach it backward? Our brains are biologically wired for oral language. If our brains are wired for oral language, for listening and speaking, shouldn't reading and writing instruction begin there? The answer is yes. But traditional reading programs don't leverage the biological wiring and organization of the brain. Instead, these programs begin with the written letter and teach the student to match the letter to a sound, an approach called decoding or print to speech.
Stop.
What makes Spelllinks different from other programs? Spelllinks put spoken language first. Spelllinks uses a speech-to-print approach to leverage the brain's innate biological wiring and organization for oral language. With Spelllinks to reading and writing, spelling is the gateway through which students learn how to read and write. Students first learn how to attend to the sound structure of spoken English words, and then how to connect and combine sounds, letter patterns, and meanings to read and spell words. This is exactly how the brain works in good readers and writers. And current research shows strong gains in reading and writing and added academic benefits for students receiving speech-to-print instruction versus print-to-speech instruction. The speech-to-print instruction featured in Spelllinks is based on current reading science research, including brain imaging studies. All students, and especially students who have or are at high risk for reading and writing problems, can benefit from Spelllinks speech-to-print instruction. Each lesson within Spelllinks to reading and writing is designed to build the reading and writing brain, with instructional methods and activities that develop, connect, and integrate the different processes and regions of the brain involved in effective reading and writing. Spelllinks instruction is multilinguistic because learning to read and write isn't just about acquiring isolated sets of knowledge and skills. It's about establishing neural pathways and developing functional connectivity within the brain. Spelllinks systematically teaches and integrates all components of word study: the sounds, the letters, and the meanings of English words. This integration develops robust storage and retrieval of word forms that are so critical for reading and writing fluency. And Spelllinks delivers this comprehensive integrated speech-to-print instruction across all grade levels. Our Spelllinks products are being successfully used in schools, clinics, and private practice settings. The variety of materials and the flexibility of the program allow you to use Spelllinks for one-to-one, small group, and classroom instruction and intervention. Spelllinks to reading and writing was developed by a team of experts in oral language. What else would you expect for a speech-to-print program, right? Working together, we can make a big difference in K-12 education. Visit our website to learn more.